This is a dance tutorial to our dance video, I Thank God. You can watch it in the description below or up here. And this video is also a request from one of my Patreon supporters. I'm so grateful for Patreon. It has helped me so much. And if you want to make a video request or want to chat with me, go ahead and sign up for Patreon. I'd love for the support. All right, so let's begin. I'll go over it slowly, but feel free to rewind it, speed it up, and don't forget to do it with the music by clicking on the link below. I'd love to do it with you and also see your video, so send that to me as well. So we're gonna start together with our feet close together, and the first move goes wandering into the night. You're gonna push it away and you're gonna step out with this leg. Wandering into the night. And then you're gonna step forward, wanting a place to hide this weary soul. You're gonna bring your hands to your heart and bring them open. And then step together and then bring your arms opposite like this. Good. All right, let's do that from the top. Wandering into the night, then step forward, wanting a place to hide. Bring it in, this weary soul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step together, bag of bones. Hey. Good job. And then you're gonna do a little grapevine with your legs while your hands go down. And I try with all my might, but I just can't win the fight. I'm slowly drifting. You're gonna bring your arms like airplanes and go in a circle, a vagabond, and you're gonna bring your hands to your eyes like you're looking for something. Good job. Let's try that part one more time. From the top. Wandering into the night, wanting a place to hide this weary soul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grapevine. And I try with all my might, but I just can't seem to win the fight. Punch, punch, punch. Drift. A vagabond. Look. 2, 3, 4. Good job. And then you're gonna step out, and just when I ran out of road, run. I met a man I didn't know. Push. And he told me that I was not alone. Clap 4 times. Hey, good job. All right, try it from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wandering into the night, wanting a place to hide this weary soul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bag of bones. And I try with all my might, but I just can't seem to win the fight. I'm slowly drifting. Woo! A vagabond. New part. Here we go. Step out. And just when I ran out of road, run. I met a man I didn't know. Push. And he told me that I was not alone. Clap 4 times. Hey, good job. And now we got to the chorus, which is my favorite part. They say, Maverick City says, he picked me up, and you're gonna turn it around, place my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. Good job. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. He picked me up. Turn it around. Place my feet crisscross, solid ground. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. And then we're going to turn to this side. You're going to push your hand to your heart. He healed my heart. Push it away. Change my name. Wave it out. Forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. I thank God. Woo! You just throw it up in the air. All right, one more time from the chorus. 5, 6, 7, 8. He picked me up. Turn it around. Place my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. Turn to the side. He healed my heart. Change my name. Wave it out. Forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. I thank God. Woo! You made it. You got one more verse and then we're done. Okay, you guys are doing great. We're going to go again. I cannot deny what I see. Got no choice to believe. My thoughts are burning. You're going to imagine you're making a fire. Like ashes in the wind. Bring it up. Yeah. Let's run that part back. Here we go. I cannot deny what I see. Cross your arms. Got no choice to believe. My thoughts are burning. Go low. Go high like ashes in the wind. Bring it up, then you bring it on down. And then you're going to take this hand, you're going to wave it. So long to my old friends. Do it to the other side. Brush your shoulders. 2, 3, 4. Again, let's try that one more time. So long to my old friends. He says, burden and bitterness, they just keep it moving. You're going to move to the front, move to the back. You're not welcome here. You're going to do a little step, turn, turn. And then you're going to walk a tightrope. And now that I walk streets of gold, bring your hands to your mouth. I sing of how you save my soul. And then we're going to bring our hands to the side like a mountain. This wayward son has found his way back. And then swing your arms home, home. Woo! That was a lot, I know, but you're doing amazing. Let's try it one more time, a few more times from the second verse. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cannot deny what I see. Got no choice to believe. My doubts are burning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like ashes in the wind. Up and down. Wave it out. So long to my old friend. Brush it off. Burden and bitterness. You just keep on moving. You're gonna move up and move back. Now you're going to go, nope, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to walk a tightrope. And now that I walk streets of gold, bring your hands to your mouth, sing of how you save my soul. Wayward son has found his way back home. And then we're going to the chorus. He picked me up. Turn me around, place my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. Turn to the side. He healed my heart and changed my name. Forever free, I'm not the same. I thank the Master. I thank the Savior. I thank God. Woo! You did it! that last chorus, there is a good 4-8 counts of freestyle. So this is where you're going to dance with your friends, with the kids. You guys can switch places. And then this very, very last part, you hear Maverick say, get up, get up, get up, get up out of that grave. And this is where you can go low. Get up, get up, get up, get up out that grave. Clap, get up, get up, get up, get up out that. And you can have fun with it. You can do whatever you like. It's just a way for you guys to freestyle and engage with one another. And then after a few get up, get up, get ups, we're going to do a little grapevine. Get up out that grave. Hey, get up, get up, get up, get up out that grave. And then we're going to do a little step and switch. And this move, you're just stepping and switching. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are just some recommendations I have for dancing at the end, but feel free to do whatever you want. Let the Spirit lead you and worship unto the Lord. So thank you guys for doing this dance. Again, try it with music. Try it a few times, and I love to see your videos if you like to share them with me. Okay, see you next time.